Here today working with a local law firm on this commercial building. These guys are open for business today, so there's a lot of different challenges that we're going to be facing. We got to make sure that we keep the grounds completely clean. That's something that's going to be very important for this customer since that he is open for business. So right now we're in the tear off phase. We're just wrapping up the tear off phase. This is a shingle roof, so it is messy. A lot of shingles are coming down. With a pitch of a 912 roof, that means a lot of the grounds are going to be covered with old debris and old shingle. We have our crew today really focusing on cleanup and running a magnet on the grounds because there is going to be traffic through this area. And with them being open for business, they are going to have customers coming in and out. So our site supervisors, along with our crews, are working to clean this up as quickly as possible. Another thing is with a commercial building like this, working with a law firm or any big client like that, is that these people have important documents inside this building. It is our job to get this roof torn off as quickly as possible and getting it dried in with underlayment as fast as possible. That's why our crew got out here about 6 o'clock this morning. They began tear off. They got the roof completely tore off in the first 2 hours. We're gonna be laying underlayment down to make sure that this roof is completely covered. This time of year, we get pop-up thunderstorms out of the blue unexpectedly, and we can't afford to have any issues on a roof like this, especially when there's important documents inside this building. So that was one of the pain points for the customer, and we're working with him to get this roof completed in one day. That's our goal here, is to get it all wrapped up and finished in one day so that he can get back to normal business hours starting tomorrow.